Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to sync audio and video in Capcut. Let's get started. First open Capcut app on your iPhone. Then create a new project and add 4 or 5 videos and then click on Add at the bottom. After this, add music by clicking on the music button and then clicking on the sounds button. Then add any type of the music you want to. After adding the music, click on the music on the timeline. Now it will show you options on the bottom slide bar. From there, find beats and then click on it. After this, click on Auto Generate. Then, click on Tick button on the bottom right corner. Now you can see orange dots on the music on the timeline. So, now pinch in a little if you want. And now, when an orange dot, click on the video and then click on Split. Then, click on the second part of the video and then click on Delete button. After this, repeat this process as how many videos you have like this. See how I am doing this and do it on your device. Once you have done it, click on the top right export button. Now I will show you the result. And that's how you sync audio and video in Capcut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.